All right, so I never come on here to show y'all my little ready with me. So I'm hopping in the shower. I'm still in the process of doing my hair, but I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial for y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, so my mom got me this dress, so I think I'm gonna wear that to work because the sun is finally out. So I ain't trying to be layered up today. Okay. Alright, so hair is done. I got it, but it was in my wrong shade at first, so this is in 18W, and I got matched at a different Sephora, and she matched me in 20N. That was way too dark. I wear Tahoe and the NARS foundation, so 18W it is. So because I'm oily combo, my skin is changing up right now. So I had to change up my whole face routine because I was dry combo in like winter, fall. So now we're getting into spring and summer and your girl is oily. So give me a second. All right, so we're just gonna go on with that e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Put this all over the face. And yes, I put it on my eyebrows too because again, I'm super oily right now. I don't know what's going on with my skin. And I'm also breaking out. So we just gonna have to deal with it. That's just life. So we're gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I was using the Ultra Blur, but your girl is oily now, so I'll take the talk today. But dust that everywhere. Of course, I'm getting it like all over me. Dust that everywhere you have oily spots. So after all that, I do take my setting spray using Charlotte Tilbury because you already know she's amazing. And spray that. And literally don't drench your face. I mean, just spray a fine mist over it. Take my little fan and dry that down because, you know, I got work in like an hour. Right, so I brought y'all in a little closer. So it's been a minute since I got my eyebrows done. But the routine's still the same. Like if I have some sparse areas, I'll probably just fill it in the front. So lift and snatch. Yeah, so I literally just filled it in the front a little bit, so I'm just gonna brush that out. Y'all, I don't do voiceovers or talk on camera, so this is the first. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, try something different. We're taking the Morphe Supreme Brow. I'm just gonna put on the spoolie in and brush my brows down and then up. I like my brows to be kind of fluffy. I mean, they naturally go up this way. I just like them to stay up. And this is a Makeup Revolution makeup. This is Real Techniques. They came up with some new spoolies and brow, tools. So this one has this little dense end on the side. I'm gonna take that and just kind of brush up, help flatten out the brows a little bit. And it's so soft. So I already concealed my brows. I just took the Morphe Filter Effect Concealer. It's hydrating and transfer resistant, so I actually do like putting that under my brows and under my eyes. But sometimes I'll switch between that and the Cakeless Concealer by Benefit because I love both, honestly. But I only conceal the bottom of my brows because again, I like to keep them super natural. And I was gonna do like a little makeup look, but you know what? Because I'm trying out this new foundation, I kind of want to do something natural today. I might put some gems or something on there, you know me. Not me over here trying to make sure I make it on time for work and trying to film at the same time. Because look, I be doing other things. Then when it comes time for my makeup, because I did that 31 days of Slay, your girl's been tired. I do have some looks in mind, and they will be coming soon. But for right now, y'all can get something natural for once. So I'm just taking my, if I don't drop it, I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Yes, it's super old, don't judge me. In Cocoa Nutty. This is honestly my favorite bronzer. I put it all over my lids. Y'all know I got a lot of eyelid space. Okay, so one of these days I will show you how I do my lashes on camera, but it's hard. So I've been doing this lately because your girl is just super happy and I like to smile all the time. So I'm taking my Juvia's Place eyeshadow primer, putting it right on my smile line. And that prevents a little creasing. I don't do it all the time, but just to be on the safe side, this is part of my priming technique. Alright, now that I got these huge lashes on and I'm done looking a little crazy, we're gonna try this foundation out now. So it's called the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. And like I said, I'm in 18W, so I'm just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I don't like putting a lot of foundation on, so I like more of like a medium coverage. Damn. Not me dropping stuff. But I'm just take a little bit. And I don't know why I always start on this side of my face. So it looks a little light, but it does oxidize a bit. So I'm gonna just put like one layer. Damn. I'm like, that looks like healthy skin, not gonna lie. And I don't really blend it all the way down my neck, because my neck is really light. Okay. And I don't bring my foundation all the way up to my eyes because that should only be where concealer is placed. Alright, so I know I got this like, you know, ring light on me, but this is definitely my skin tone. Skin tone. Skin tone. I got these rubber bands in and they messing me up. Anyway, we're doing the Cakeless Concealer from Benefit. And this is in the shade 8.5 because I have a golden olive undertone and this is literally my undertone. And that's all I do. Alright, so while that's kind of drying down a little bit, I'm taking my bronzer from Anastasia in Deep Tan. This is their cream bronzer, or gel cream, whatever it is. But this is how I bronze my face. I don't really want to say contour because I already have pretty defined bone structure, but I just go around my hairline like this. If I mess up my edges, I'm gonna go back and do some edge control. You already know. After I'm done with blending out the concealer, I do go back in with my foundation brush just to get rid of any harsh edges. Keep in mind, we're still going in with powder. And I don't drag the concealer on my nose down really, it's just like right in between where I place my highlight. Okay, so I did set my face, and by set I mean spray, that Charlotte Tilbury spray again, before I placed any powder. So I like to kind of set my foundation with the setting powder. This is still Laura Mercier, by the way. And on my highlighted areas first, and then I end up using my powder puff all over my face in a pressing motion like this. So I don't bake, I literally just press it into my skin, especially because I'm more oily now. Alright, so after that, I take that same coconutty bronzer and set where I put that cream contour at. So real quick, I do go down my nose with the same exact brush. I just, whatever is left on the brush, I go down my nose because I don't like it super defined and up into like my crease area, so it looks more like a natural, you know, my natural bone structure. Gotta get the 5 head. Perks of my mama being Ethiopian. I'm a little pressed for time, but I'm taking this ColourPop blush right here in the shade, what shade is this? Swirl? I think it's Swirl. But it's like a nice peachy pink. Go ahead and do your little fake smile. And I do bring it kind of under my eye, like right at the apple of my cheek, all the way up to where my contour is. Yeah, I used to never do blush. This is actually insane. Why did I never do this? Like, it just completes the whole look. And look at that. So I'm using this Ofra highlighter. It has 3 pans, so it's Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and Glow Goals. It's from Nikki Tutorials palette. It looks like this. I'm gonna use this bronze shade at the end. And I'm taking this little fluffy highlighting brush. I got this from TJ Maxx, bro, so don't ask me what it is, but it's fluffy. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got holes that I'm keeping in the dark. Alright, I want to be glowing from outer space, so we just gonna pile this up some more. There we go. Okay, so I want to say most people would stop right here and be like, cool, we're done, but I'm gonna add some bottom lashes and some gemstones and my lips, and we'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. This is the finished look. So I'm extra, so this is considered natural for me. I mean, like I said, you could stop there, but I like my bottom lashes, I like gems, I like to be like boom, but you know, face still naturally beat. I'm gonna come back a little later because I get off work kind of late. I'm gonna see what this foundation is looking like without no touch-ups today, because y'all know I like bulletproof faces. I don't like to touch up my makeup besides my lips. That's about it. So thank you for checking in with your girl. I actually like these. I think I'm gonna start doing more like, you know, talk throughs and get ready with me's, but let's have a fabulous day today and I'll see y'all later. All right, so going on 8.5 hours with this foundation on. It is 9:22. I did my makeup around like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is what she's looking like. A little shiny around the nose. And I mean, my smile lines are usually a whole lot worse than this, but this is good thus far. I'm still looking like skin. But thank you for tuning into my video. I do want to start making more talk throughs, voiceovers, because I know y'all just be hearing background music all the time. I feel like these are, you know, these videos show my personality a little more. I'm not as, you know, stone-faced, and I do say a lot. I actually can't stop talking, but thank you for tuning in, and I really love and appreciate y'all. Give me a like, you know, comment and subscribe for your girl, and stay tuned to some more looks.